Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Self Love with Self Care. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you all, which we here call it as coconut burfi. I just tried it for myself and for our family. So without any delay, let's start. I hope you will like this video. So to start off with, guys, here you just need to roast with some ghee of kaju, badam, and fool makhni, which is also known as lotus seeds, and immediately just add some dry coconut. Now here I have not taken any measurements, so like normally I've added some dry coconut here and roast it really very quickly because it changed its color very instantly. So make sure that you're roasting it very light. It has to become little crisp. So moving further, just keep the same kadai here, and I have actually kept this both aside to just cool it down. Here you need to take some 2 or 3 ilachi, just crush it really well and make it into a powder and keep it ready. And now here the thing which you have roasted into ghee, just add it into a mixer grinder, and you have to grind it gradually. You should not make it a paste type of consistency. Just grind it like you have to feel that it's little bit crunchy, and it should not be too sticky. I'll just show you the texture, that how it looks. And now here this kaju badam can be kept as a garnish ready. So here all the ingredients which you have roasted in ghee, just add it directly into your mixer grinder and make sure you're grinding it really coarsely. Please do not grind it very into a very thick paste, something like that. I'll show you how the consistency looks as I just said. So once you've added everything, make sure that you're adding all the ingredients which you have grinded. You can even add even more nuts if you wish. I wanted to make it really simple, so see, this is how I have coarsely grinded it. Nothing more than this is required because you need it into a burfi type consistency. Now here I haven't measured before, so here after measuring I've got about 4 cups of this grounded mixture which we have just made it into a powder. So make sure that you're giving a good count here, because here I have 4 glasses of powder. So you have to make sure that you're adding equal consistency of jaggery to it. You can even make it with some sugar, but instantly I preferred it making it with some jaggery. So here in the same kadai I'm adding some 2 tablespoons of ghee. Into this I'm adding some white till and khaskhas, that is also known as poppy seeds. I don't know how I missed showing you all this white till. So just roast it very lightly because it instantly changes the color. So make sure that you're perfectly roasting them. Now into this I'm adding only half of the jaggery powder, from considering to the powder which we have of 4 glasses. So here I've added 2 glasses of jaggery powder. Now just make sure that there are nothing left over in this jaggery. Let it cook so that it releases the water. Now just take some plate or mold, whichever is available with you, and apply some ghee and keep this plate ready because you have to be very quick from here. So I have just taken some ghee and I wanted to make it into a burfi. You can also make it as a laddu as you wish. So here you can see the jaggery has started melting, and it has some process, so it has to melt even a bit more. And you see here you should not have any lumps like this. So make sure that you're mixing the jaggery really well. It actually releases some water. If your jaggery is too thick, you can also add some water into it. Guys, see, this must be the consistency. Here I've added some ilachi powder, that is cardamom powder, and now mix it, give it a good mix, because that you have to get the taste from this jaggery also. So once you see this consistency in your jaggery, immediately without any delay add your grounded powder. And now here it takes some time, with little patience, just mix so that the jaggery and the powder really blends well with each other. And you have to also be ready, you should not make this mixture not too thick, nor don't add a lot of water also. If you're this sweet is too thick, then you can add a 1 to 2 tablespoons of water into it and mix it good. Now this is the right consistency. So immediately just transfer it into your plate or mold, whichever you've kept ready, by applying some ghee, and make it to settle real quick, because if you leave it into your pan, it becomes really difficult to just your burfi will spoil completely. So see, this must be the mixture. Now add it into your molds and allow it to settle. You can keep it, you can make it into a mold shape, like let it sit, and see, you have to just adjust it like this. And once you have adjusted, because you have to be really quick as it thickens very quickly if you leave it into your pan. So that is why I'm specifying so much. And see, you can make it to sit like this, and gradually it actually absorbs to the plate or to the mold, whichever you are putting, as you have to leave it until it cools down to the room temperature. Now when you have allowed it to sit onto a plate or a mold, now garnish it with whichever seeds you can also garnish it with some watermelon seeds. Here I'm adding some pista, kaju, coconut, that is dry coconut. So whichever your choices, you can just garnish it like this and serve it with to your friends or to your family members. They'll really like it. I have prepared it for the festival, and I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Self Love with Self Care. Having said that, guys, now here you can give a shape of like this, like cut it into a shape of a burfi. Or if you are not comfortable doing this, you can always prepare laddu with the same thing, but just don't add it into your plate. Just make some balls of laddus and allow it to come to the room temperature and then serve it. So guys, this is how it looks. I will also show you when it comes down to the room temperature how does actually it look. So see, I'm giving it a shape because it has taken some time as I was preparing for the first time. So guys, see, this is how you need to give the shape. The people who have no idea, actually the people who regularly are very easy to prepare, they will have nothing to tell about this. So this is how you need to give it a shape, and I'll allow it now into a room temperature for at least half an hour, and I'll show you how you can just cut them into the pieces and just take it out. So after half an hour, this is how the mixture was looking like, and I've cut it into pieces and we were serving it. So this is how it looks. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Thank you so much for giving your time and watching the video. Please try the recipe and let me know how it has worked. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.